That was fun. Well, can't believe it. I'm gonna go trade the bobber. Yep, I'm getting rid of the bobber today. I'll miss you, buddy. I just picked this bike up and I'm not used to it. Some Audi wanted to play at a light, and because I lane split or filtered up to the front of the light, he decided to take off quick, and usually that makes me go a little quicker, but not being used to the bike, I popped like a foot, maybe a little bit higher wheelie on it on accident. Let it down and tried to hit the gas again, maybe popped another second one. So it wasn't intentional. Sort of funny though, even though it was an accident, because I don't really do wheelies, especially on this bike. So if you guys don't know what this is a 2000 Aprilia RSV Milli. It's 998 cc's V twin sport bike. It has a ton of engine braking. That's some horsepower. So it has a ton of engine braking, which means you got to be a little careful downshifting. It sort of has a slipper clutch. I think it's like a vacuum actuated type slipper clutch thing. It has no electronic aids, no ABS, no traction control. You can see I got a Motion Pro throttle on there, so you can see these are two cables. That's it. Not even an electronic throttle. So I should be pushing about 135, 140 horsepower, and I don't know, maybe like 80 foot-pounds of torque, something like that. Oh, what an ass. You like those donkeys? So the other thing is, as you can guess, when I'm riding along like this with my hand on my hip, just cruising by in this car, it's apparent that I have ridden this bike before. So any of you who follow me, maybe you've looked at my old videos and you realize the bobber is not going anywhere. I'm just trading it for a day. This is my Aprilia that I've had for probably almost 2 years now. I just don't ride it very often. It's been in storage. I went and got it from storage. It's going to end up in the Sierra foothills at a friend's house because I don't have room for it where I'm at. So you might see it once in a while. You do need a rev match on this bike, unless you like dragging the back tire. And that's all she got with this guy in front. My friends say it's a torture rack, but I think she's built for speed. Hi-ho, chauffeur away! I'm in the Kentucky Derby. These people take up freaking nuts. Why do I do weird ass shit in that same spot? Well, who knows? Which is worse, a Prius or a minivan? I'm stuck in a Prius with a lisp. Well, he is getting better gas mileage than me. Oh wait, there's one more turn that might be fun to have on film. Let me slow up a little bit. Wait for it. Wait for it. Hold. Hold. It's just freaking Braveheart. Yeah, it's freaking Braveheart. I should have got the right gear. Let's see. Here we go. Well, that was the right gear. I was just going too slow. I will say though, I've been pretty smooth with the throttle on this bike, which is sort of what's necessary. I know I'm gunning it, but it's when you let off. When you let off on this bike with the engine braking, you got to be careful. If it's in the middle of a turn, it will wiggle, which I already did today on accident. Oh, it's all in good fun. Didn't drop the bike, so hey. Oops. It's like saying knock on wood. Except I haven't finished riding the bike today, so I'll just shut up. And good lead. And lead. Oh, didn't lead with the shit. Chicken strips. So I'm riding back to the shop. I'm going to switch back to the bobber for the rest of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing the RSV Millie. Something old, a little old school sport bike. So if you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe. Enjoy the ride.